What is the normal human body temperature in Fahrenheit? A. 96 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer is B. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the melting point of ice? A. 0 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 32 degrees Celsius. Answer is B. 0 degrees Celsius. What is the main component of natural gas? A. Ethane. B. Butane. C. Methane. Answer is C. Methane. Which layer of Earth is made of liquid iron and nickel? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. Answer is C. Outer core. Which of these is a known renewable energy source? A. Solar. B. Wind. C. Coal. Answer is C. Coal. Which human organ system controls and coordinates body activities? A. Respiratory. B. Nervous. C. Digestive. Answer is B. Nervous. Who discovered X-rays? A. Roentgen. B. Curie. C. Rutherford. Answer is A. Roentgen. Which metal is alloyed with copper to make bronze? A. Zinc. B. Tin. C. Lead. Answer is B. Tin. What is the name of the protein found in hair and nails? A. Collagen. B. Keratin. C. Elastin. Answer is B. Keratin. Which vitamin helps in improving eyesight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. Answer is A. Vitamin A.